Starting with our big story this hour, China has reacted to India's big infrastructural push along the line of actual control in Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh. China has said that the Indian side has been ramping up infrastructure development along the border and stepping up military deployment, which is the root cause of the tension between the two sides. Now, adding to the statement, the Chinese Foreign Ministry said that it does not recognize the Union Territory of Ladakh. China called the establishment illegal. For more on this, we are being joined by our principal diplomatic correspondent, Sudan Sybil. Good afternoon to you, Sudan. Now, China has reacted to India's infrastructural developments along the LAC, calling this illegal.
Well, yes, Alison, the developments have come in reaction to the Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh yesterday inaugurating 44 bridges, especially in union territories and states which are bordering China. And this reaction is on expected lines. But what is interesting is it has come before the releases by respective sides, or perhaps a joint release on the 7th Corps Commander's conversation which happened yesterday, the 11-hour long conversation which happened. And it is largely a symptom of the relationship Beijing and New Delhi right now has, and of course the Chinese playing by their playbook. We know that China has also ramped up infrastructure in Tibet, which of course threatens India's security. But India has never made such comments. The Chinese, of course, pointing fingers at what India is doing on its territory. We do expect a strong reaction by the Ministry of External Affairs, but largely on expected lines. And these comments are going to only further exacerbate the situation on the ground. And of course, the ties which are seeing their worst development in last many years. We know that now, of course, the big focus is on the outcome of the 7th Corps Commander's conversation, during which India emphasized and focused on disengagement and early disengagement by the Chinese side. In fact, the month of September saw a number of activities when it comes to India-China relationship, the meeting between the defense ministers, the foreign ministers, and of course the 6th Corps Commander's conversation. There were two joint statements by Beijing and New Delhi. But of course, the big question is, when will the Chinese side leave that location? We have seen the attempts where the Chinese side is not for disengagement, but in fact they are trying to dig in that area, and it looks like it will be a long winter.
Right, and China has said that this infrastructure development in this region is the root cause of the tensions between the two nations. What do we make of this statement?
Well, this is a statement that will not go well here in New Delhi. We do expect a reaction. Usually reaction is on the lines that these are Indian territories and China has no locus standi to comments, because early in the past also we have seen comments coming by China when it comes to Ladakh, when it comes to Arunachal Pradesh, especially when there has been a high-level visit by the Indian side to Arunachal Pradesh. China claims that part of India as its own, something that New Delhi has just missed, and internationally it's acknowledged as part of India. But clearly comments by Chinese side show that the Chinese side are not going to let up the issue to go towards a positive trajectory. Instead, these comments are only adding fuel to the fire when it comes to the current situation. This is one of the longest standoff between India and China. The Doklam crisis of 2017 lasted for approximately 2 months. The current standoff started in the month of May. We saw the Galwan incident in which 20 Indian soldiers lost their lives, and then of course there were attempts by the Chinese side to occupy the southern bank of Pangong Lake. So it looks like a long haul. It looks like something that is going to completely change India-China relationship for many decades.
Sudan, thank you very much for bringing us all the latest there in that full report.